How are we doing, guys? Back for the final detail of Toi Gye Detail, detail number 7. Most details I've squeezed out of a pattern so far. And it's just that ending section. Okay, it's when you turn around right at the end to end up where you started. Okay. Because I've been doing patterns all morning, it turns out my mats are now skew width as well. Let's straighten them up because that's going to look weird otherwise. This is the deal. I'll demonstrate it sideways so you can see where you end up, but I'll also demonstrate it from the front as if I started here so that you can see all the stance changes as well. Okay, so at the start of the pattern, the chariot will bow into your chumby, into my chumby, left combination, right combination, forwards, here, kicks, mounting blocks, all 6 of those. I'm not doing them all. Whee! Into that last mounting block, low section, hit that knee strike, here, kick, spear, knives, kick, spear. What we did in the last video, nose break into that jump, land neatly, and then out into that support. Okay, that's the bit we're starting from. Okay. Once you get to that support block, we go high fold. Okay. I know it's going to be a low section knife block in a moment. That doesn't give me an excuse to do a low fold. Okay, I'll go from here, I pick it up, I do my full turn into my back stance, low section knife block. That front hand follows my leg line. This one points the way it goes. Okay, all I've done is change this to that. Okay, high, low, high, low. I haven't changed my hand positions in terms of how far this is from the elbow. I've just straightened it. Okay, I've not made this lower, it's not on the stomach or it's not on my back hip or anything like that. Okay, I'll just pointing my knife block downwards. Okay. Once I'm there, which way was I facing? I don't know which way I was facing. Okay. Rear hand, the one that's on my chest, is going to go under my left elbow. I'm going to go into my front stance, and I've got a 45-degree middle block off to the corner with my back hand. Yeah. This is a significantly different setup than anything else that's come in patterns previously. Okay. We then go high fold for my next knife block here. Into my front stance, rear hand, and back, into horse stance, punch. Okay, now, I understand that, depending on where I am on that camera, that may not be brilliantly visible. Okay, but you get to see the whole pattern from front to back that way round. Okay, if I started my pattern here for my chumbi, and off I went, that section, I would have done all of it, done here, done my mounting blocks, done the extra bit on the end, turned around, coming back, and I'd be here in my support block, ready for that final turn. Lift, back stance, low knife, yeah? 3/4 turn, point the knife block there, rear hand comes under, 45 degree, my middle block goes over there. I look where my middle block is going. My front stance goes there. My block and my stance are not going the same way. I am not going here and stepping out. I am not going here and going forwards. Okay? It's almost like when you get to my waist, the two things are disjointed. Yeah? Front stance that way, middle block, corner. Not front, corner. Okay? Step, step. Knife block, here. Backhand again, under armpit, into my front stance that goes this way, put my middle block off to that corner, 45 degrees. Okay, what I'm going to do then is I'm going to change my stance. I rotate my front stance, it goes that way. This, my front stance, pretty much goes off to the corner, yeah, where my first middle block went. This middle block stays on that corner, they are perpendicular to each other. Okay, and then I come back to where I started, here. Into my horse stance, punch. Okay, do that one more time, real slow. Okay, I'll be facing the back in my support block. Lift, low knife back stance, front stance middle block, corner. Here, one corner. Yeah, over there. Rotate, same corner. This second middle block is perpendicular to me. It doesn't follow me. Doesn't go to the front, still on that corner, and back. Front stance going that way, middle block corner, horse stance punch. Finish. And that is my right foot would move into the horse stance, right hand does that last punch. Okay. If you want to talk about footwork real quickly, from the support block, left foot moves, right hand middle block, step, step, right foot's in front. 1, 2, 3. My feet haven't changed positions, I'm changing my weight and the direction my front stance faces. Yeah? I'm just rotating on the balls of my feet and picking my heels up. Okay? Third middle block. Right foot moves, bam, punch, right down the centre. That's it. That's all of Toi Gye. Nuisance of a pattern. Enjoy, keep practicing, and look forward to when quarantine is over, because lockdown is really dull. Okay, have fun. See you soon.